Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the earbuds and phone. Make sure the case and both buds have at least half charge. Low battery can block pairing. Turn off Bluetooth on other nearby devices so they don't steal the connection. Once done, open the charging case and press and hold the touch areas on both earbuds for 3 to 5 seconds until the LEDs flash. This forces the Redmi Airdots into their pairing mode and makes them discoverable to your phone immediately. You'll now complete the phone side connection. Open Bluetooth settings and start scanning. The Redmi Airdots should appear in the list as Redmi Airdots or a similar label. Tap that name to pair. You might see a brief pairing request. Accept it. You'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds and see a connected status in your phone's Bluetooth menu. If you want stereo mode, make sure both buds are shown. Otherwise, repeat the press and hold to reinitiate pairing for the missing bud. Finish by testing playback and mic in a call or voice memo. Adjust fit to improve sound and wind isolation. If one bud doesn't connect, place both in the case and press and hold the touch areas for about 10 seconds to reset, then repeat pairing. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth firmware is up to date, and if problems persist, clear the Bluetooth cache or remove old pairings to avoid conflicts. This usually resolves stubborn connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.